Sometimes it takes years of research to change the world. And sometimes you just spill something, burn something, or forget something in a drawer. Welcome to Factastrophes, where stick figures trip, drop, and explode their way into history. What's the best accidental idea you've ever had? Share it. We might animate your genius. Number 1. Penicillin. Alexander Fleming left a petri dish out over the weekend. Came back to find it full of mold that killed bacteria around it. Boom. Penicillin, first true antibiotic, millions of lives saved because of lazy lab hygiene. What's the laziest thing you've done? That actually worked out? Leave it in the comments. Number 2. The microwave. Engineer Percy Spencer was working near a radar magnetron. He noticed the chocolate bar in his pocket melted. Instead of panicking, he said, "I wonder what happens to popcorn." The microwave oven was born. What food would you accidentally invent if you stood too close to a microwave? Leave your invention in the comments. Number 3. Post-it notes. Scientist Spencer Silver created a glue that was too weak. His coworker used it to mark songs in his church hymnal, and it stuck, but not too much. That useless glue now makes billions as post-it notes. What everyday object do you think was a total accident? Drop your opinion in the comments. Number 4. Potato chips. A chef in New York had an angry customer who said his fries were too thick. Chef sliced them super thin out of spite, fried them hard, added salt. The customer loved it. Potato chips were born from petty revenge. Have you ever done something out of pettiness and it turned into success? Tell us in the comments. Number 5. Viagra. Pfizer was testing a drug for heart problems. The results? Meh. But test subjects kept reporting a surprising side effect. Let's just say blood really flowed. Doctors said, let's pivot. What's the weirdest product pivot you've ever seen? Tell us in the comments. Some people plan greatness, others spill coffee on it. From moldy dishes to petty potatoes, accidents shaped our world. This has been Factastrophes. Like, comment, and subscribe before you invent something by accident and forget to patent it. What invention surprised you the most? And what would you invent if you could mess up gloriously?